Welcome to Outside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer you this 2000 registered Ford Racing Puma. All the cars were finished in Imperial Blue Metallic. There were 500 cars built. This is car number 65 of the 500. The cars had just 2 owners from new, the last owner since 2001. Full service history, all MOTs, and the car is in beautiful condition. We have just carried out a slight cosmetic refresh in our workshops. As you look around the car from every angle, you'll see it absolutely gleams. There's no corrosion, no dents, no scratches. The car is worthy of any serious Ford collection. All standard trim, the radio and everything has not been messed around. There are no speaker holes in the rear shelf or anything like that. It's just absolutely beautiful. Wider track than the standard Puma. These cars have got extended wheel arches front and rear. The wider bumpers front and rear also. The car sits on these MIM Speedline alloy wheels. We have refurbished the wheels ourselves. You'll notice the centre caps are missing. We're having some made because they're no longer available from Ford. They have Alcon brakes, these blue 4-pot calipers at the front. You'll see the stickers, the original stickers are all intact there. We've cleaned up the brake discs, so you'll notice. All the tyres are matching and perfect. It's ready to use. The car has been used regularly, although it's only done 21,000 miles from new. Looking around the car, you'll see the detail is lovely. Nothing needs doing to this car. The car has the benefit of a stainless steel sports exhaust. That's the only thing non-standard on the car. It was supplied by Puma Build, who are specialists in these cars, a number of years ago. All the details around the wipers, around the window surrounds and everything there, you'll see is lovely, as are the door shuts, the sills, inside the fuel flap. Beautiful colour, this Imperial Blue. You see it more regularly now, but in the day it was only probably available on this and the Escort Cosworth. Original taxi holder and keyring from a supplying Ford dealer. Local car to us. The carbon fibre splitter there is in perfect condition. It's not been repaired or anything. Again, lovely detail. The original wiper blades there with the Ford emblem on there, a nice touch. I'll take you inside the car in a short while. Ford security stickers there on the window. Inside you'll notice the blue Alcantara clad door panels, blue sports steering wheel, and best of all, these Sparco sports seats in blue Alcantara with the Ford Racing emblem. The seats are in perfect condition. They have not been recovered. There is no wear on the bolsters there. You'll see the car looks like it's just left the factory. The original Puma mats. And we'll just show you underneath the mat, all the heel pad and everything there, and the carpet's in perfect condition, never been trodden on. Alloy gear knob there. In the back, the theme continues. We've got the blue Alcantara door or side cards and the Puma seat centres there, finished in blue Alcantara. It's got rear mats as well, you can't quite see that. So inside the car you'll notice the original stereo there. The car's got a heated front windscreen, air conditioning, 5-speed manual gearbox. And we'll just turn the ignition on, we'll show you the mileage. There we are, 21,835, supported by full documentation. No scuffing on the door cards, down the pillars there, all original. Very little or no wear to the sills and up the B pillar. Again, passenger seat, just lean over with no need to open the other side because it's perfect. Locking wheel bolt key is with the car, as are all the handbooks. Documentation including the Ford Racing Puma supplement handbook. Spare keys present also, and the radio code. Under the bonnet here you'll see where the outer panels have been grafted onto the wings there by Tickford. There's the number 65 of a total build of 500. Not over detailed under the bonnet, just all original. Just a matte paint finish in the engine bay. No accident damage. Just a lovely all-round car which is very usable but also very collectible. The majority of these cars will never come out of their private collections if they are of any substance, as of this car. Okay, in the boot, again around the hinges and the pillars, you'll see there the rivets where they've grafted the rear wings on, the wide arches. Parcel shelf, no holes in, as I say. There's no spare wheel on this car, you get tyre glue. That's the boot floor, all original. Carpet's in perfect condition. Toolkit. No corrosion. Drives very well. We'll take you over the road in a second or two just to let you have a little look. But if you're interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website wallsideclassics.co.uk. Okay, we'll just take you over the road in this little Ford Racing Puma, just to let you know how good it is on the road. Obviously you've seen the style of the video, so it's immaculate on the outside. Quite noisy through the exhaust. Everyone will know you're coming. So everything's standard on the car. Radio CD there with the codes working, the clock's working, all dials are working, no management lights or anything like that. Just lovely really, you can steer straight ahead. No body creaks or rattles. Quite firm ride. Bends coming up, we'll just see how nimble it is through those. Tight on the road, no wheel wobble or anything. Just a great little car. So if you are interested in this cracking little car, 21,000 miles from new, 2 lady owners, full services to all MOTs, all original books, spare key, nothing that you would want extra. Give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website wallsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks.